In this video, we're going to cut up tree branches. I'm going to use my head cam with a remote with the leaf vacuum. I'm going to replace a water heater expansion tank. This is a time lapse using my new Akaso 7000 camera. This is the same Akaso 7000 camera using a regular remote. This is a test with the camera on my head, walking around, being able to look at my feet while vacuuming up leaves. I'm also using the remote control watch to turn the camera off and on, so I can't see the lights on the camera that are telling me whether it's on or off. But when I do click on the watch, I do hear a beep to turn it off. So the leaf vacuum I'm using is from Worx. It's 115 volt plug-in, and it doesn't work too bad. I'm going to try to get the leaves around the base of the garage and the house, the pool, basically any place that's hard to reach with the mower. So we'll see how this works. I found that this thing is relatively heavy, and it's really important to get this strap adjusted almost perfect, and then everything seems to work a little better. You want it about 2 inches off the ground. That was not good. Guess we'll figure out what that was got in there. Hopefully it'll be visible. That one looks like a stick right here. baby's in there. Let me see if I get a screwdriver. Yeah, that's funny. That doesn't happen very often. Before we get too carried away, go in and see if I have the right angle on this camera. So we'll shut her off now and go check it. Let's move the extension cord around to the back of the house so we can get all the way around the pool. Might have tripped the GFCI when I plugged that in. Or that should be plugged in. Looks like that's about all gonna reach from this outlet. So we'll take the cord around to the front of the house. In the interim, since we're back here, we'll dump the leaves in the compost pile. Pretty nice day for doing this. Not too hot, not too cold. The leaves are fairly dry, but not so dry that it creates a lot of dust. You can see these leaves are on here from the lawnmower, so they're chipped up a little bit, but if it was drier they would be more chipped. A lot of pine straw in there. Not necessarily good for my compost pile, but at least this year I'm trying to get some greens in with the grass. Hopefully that'll help a little bit. Today's project will be replacing a expansion tank on a water heater. There you can see the water leaking out.
And you were asking how it got a hole in it. It's literally just a pin-sized hole.
Yeah.
So what I'm hoping...
You want to hold that top pipe?
I do. I just want to make sure I have
Have it adjusted. I think this is heavy from what I remember.
Let me turn it. So.
Yeah, that's heavy.
How heavy could it have been?
About 20 pounds.
40?
20.
I got lucky because when you threw everything, it threw a whole bunch of rust and metal towards me, and it didn't go in my eye, which, lesson learned. I've been really good about wearing PPE.
Oh wow, I actually do have a sock.
Listen to all those watching the video. Wear eye protection at all times. All times. I think this is so big, it might not even need. Ain't much more than that. I'm feeling like we might be in good shape.
Alright, let me turn the water on.
Yeah, let me
You got your phone here, you want to...
Yeah, let me dry this off so if I see any leakage it'll be very noticeable. I don't have my phone on me. It's in...
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
I'll turn it on right now.
Yep, definitely hear water cycling through. Sounds like full system is pressurized. I can feel hot water. So try running hot water and see if you can get hot water, I guess. That's obviously going to be the first thing.
Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and share with your friends. As always, suggestions are welcome. And if you have any thoughts on topics you'd like to see videoed, please let me know.